Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's trying to duplicate this JPEG. It's going to be I think it's some sort of award sticker. And I first suggested using the star tool. And we went back and forth and just draw it. Then take your shape tool and bring in this node and then fill it in. But he didn't like it because it wasn't, well, one, I don't have enough. I don't know how many points it was on this, but the lines are straight on this star. Where on this picture, they've got like a little curve to them. So I made one, and I just, and surprisingly, hit the number right on the barrel. This is 6 inches basically. So this is how I did it, and I'm probably sure there's other ways. I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to draw a 6-inch circle. I got my ratio lock, so I only have to hit it one time. I'm going to take my nudge distance and set it to 6 inches. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate and move it over. I'm going to select both. I'm going to control D and I'm going to move it over. Then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill in this shape. And just move it out of the way. We'll go ahead and turn it black like the original. We'll hit P and take it and control D and make a duplicate. It's always in the center, and rotate it 10 degrees. Control D. There you have that exact shape, and it's pretty much the exact size. This one's a little bit smaller. It's 6 inches where this is 6.003. So basically it's the same shape and it wouldn't be noticeable. Now, I don't know if he's going to engrave this or cut it out. If he engraves it, it might cause a little bit of a problem. Because you've got all these lines, or if he's going to cut it out. But you could very easily weld this together, and there's that same shape that you could cut out. And they do have a little bit of a slope to the circle. Pretty cool design. I don't know if it'll ever help anybody else, but that's playing with the weld tool and the Smart Fill tool and to draw something like that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.